Let's create a junk journal page. Last weekend, my husband and I went to the Water Lantern Festival and we had a whole bunch of fun, and this is some of the stuff I collected. So let's put it into my journal. I kept this brochure from the festival, it just details what it's all about. I held it down with washi tape so I can access it at another point if I ever decide to. And then we also received these bracelets, and it's held by a bead, so I just took the bead off and hot glued it into my junk journal. And of course, I kept the entrance ticket, so I just held that down with some washi tape. There was this whole mandala theme happening at the festival, so I decided to add this paper to the right side of my journal. We received a complimentary deck of playing cards, so I decided to add the Joker, and here's a collage of pictures that I took from that night. And I almost forgot, we went to Red Robin beforehand. They have the best chicken strips, so I took the kids menu and added the Robin to my page. This is the completed layout.